Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Red Black Girl, and today we'll be making chocolate cupcakes. This recipe is perfect for a first-time baker and a mature baker. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So here are the ingredients you will be needing. I would be listing them and the exact measurements in the description section, so don't worry about that. Yeah, so mixing dry ingredients. I prefer to mix all of my dry ingredients together first before getting into the wet ingredients. That is to avoid the little balls and the little clusters that can come up when water and dry ingredients don't mix properly. Yeah, so the salt, please make sure it's literally a pinch, because that's what I did here. Literally a pinch, you can barely see it, so as not to end up with salty cupcakes. Yeah, so you want to mix in between steps to make sure everything mixes very well. And you should also sieve and sift your ingredients ahead before mixing. You should sift your flour, you should sift your baking powder, your baking soda, your vanilla extract, and any other thing that isn't salt and sugar. So mix well until you get this color and all the whiteness is gone, so you don't know where each ingredient begins or where one ends. Yeah, so you want to do that, then set it aside. Mix thoroughly and set aside, as I will be doing. Then on the bowl, pour in your milk, add your oil, add your egg, your room temperature eggs. Please make sure they are not straight from the freezer. Dark coffee, and mix. If you're not a coffee fan, you can skip the coffee part. It's not really necessary. So you want to mix very well till you get this color and texture, because this goes a long way in defining in determining what your cupcakes will come out looking like. Yeah, then you mix in your dry ingredients a little at a time. I also do this to avoid the little clusters we talked about earlier. Yeah, so it's a little runny here, so I will be adding a little bit more of the dry ingredients here. So you want to mix everything totally till all the flour is gone here, till all the dry ingredients is gone, and then it now looks like melted chocolate. Yeah, so you can see the texture now, and that's exactly what you want to do. So I continue to mix. I added a bit more, and they continue to whisk and mix. If you have an electric mixer, perfect, you can just use that and do for like 2 minutes, but I don't have one, so yeah, I have to use the whisk and whisk vigorously. You can see the texture now, it's already looking very fluffy and like hot and melted chocolate. So you want to get your oven lined, and at this stage you already have your oven preheated to 175 degrees Celsius. If you're using Fahrenheit, that will be about 350. Yeah, so 350 Fahrenheit. And you will be baking for 20 minutes. You can see the way it's folding into the lined tray. Yeah, that is exactly what you want it to fold in properly. I used 2 different types of muffin liners, so that you can see the different you can see how that it will still turn out the same even if you use different cupcakes liner. So this is how it turned out. 20 minutes later, here we are with our cupcakes. You can see how moist it already looks from the surface. Yeah, and you can see how fluffy it is on the inside. So yeah, for more videos like this, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.